Luxurious modern reclining sofa set, crafted with breathable air leather and a sturdy wood and iron frame, this contemporary set from AYCP combines style and comfort. The power recliners can extend to the desired angle, between 110 degrees and 160 degrees for optimal relaxation. Thoughtful design for convenience, with built-in USB charging ports, LED light strips, beverage holders, and storage compartments, this set offers modern amenities for seamless living room integration. Thank you for watching my video. To order this product or for more information, click the link in the description section. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Take care and stay safe.